collaboration with all the associates in the free energy world.
What's up, everybody? I'm going to try this a second time. Post-mortar build-off 2014. Okay, 3 minutes. That's not much time. This is my official entry, and it is raining and pissing pouring and crazy outside, so you're going to hear some noises. So check it out. This footage is going to be like a lot of random stuff going on because I got extra footage going on in the background, but you're going to see some high voltage from some of the coils and the lights lighting and all sorts of fun stuff. But I've got 3 minutes, so let's go. So currently, I've got a power supply right here, alright, just powering all the circuitry. This is actually a PLC. So I'm using a programmable logic controller for my circuitry. I have basically start, stop, neutral mode on, push mode on. Then each one of these timers is for the cycle in the system, which I'll explain in a second. Battery here is to power the big coils. This is an Allen Bradley relay circuit, which I very haggardly modified to get to function as an opto-isolator relay driver circuit. So that was a pretty cool refurbish of an old equipment. That was actually thrown away, it was scrap. Looks something similar to this. So, what do we have? We have a gap power replication, basically is what it is. So basically you have magnetic neutralization. So if I spin this, you can see this wants to go back into the center point. That's because these magnets I have here, 4 inches of 2x2 by 1 inch magnets. Same thing on the other side, 4 inches, 2x2. And on the inside here I've got 1.5 inches of magnet and 1.5 inches of magnet separated. I basically did that to match my sled, which is on just a linear bearing that I've got here. So these big coils right here are actually the neutralization and driving coils. Now you can run this in just neutralization. So what I mean, if I push this over, okay, it wants to go back. If I turn this coil on, it's just enough power to neutralize this, and it'll just stay on the top dead center. When you turn it off, it'll go back. So, over here I have basically a huge lead weight that I machined out of a chunk of lead, and a reflector on a wheel, and your cam connected here. This is a Allen Bradley servo motor. I actually can pull power off this and charge batteries, but I'm not currently doing that. Then I have 2 trigger photo eyes. These 2 trigger photo eyes are actually triggering a pulse. So when I pulse it, each one of these timers, this is trigger delay, neutral mode on, how long, top dead center, how long, and then over here is your push mode on. So start, stop.